If you're new to affiliate marketing or want to start an affiliate marketing business, you need to watch this video because I'm going to give you the real raw truth about affiliate marketing that none of the online sort of gurus and affiliate marketing gurus will tell you, because at the end of the day they want to sell you their high price coaching and all their courses. So I'm going to give you the raw truth that you need to hear to make sure you succeed. And after that, the end of the video, I'm going to tell you the best place and the best way to start with affiliate marketing in 2025. So if you're excited to watch the video, why not like, why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? So very quickly, before I start, a little bit about me, just to introduce myself. My name's Grant. I've been affiliate marketing pretty much full-time since 2020. I've made multiple six figures online. I don't say that to boast or brag. It's just that that's what I've done, and affiliate marketing is still my main gig. I'm also done media buying. I've worked with ClickFunnels. So yeah, I've got a lot of experience with affiliate marketing, buying traffic and other traffic methods as well. So let's get on with the video because I respect your time. So the real raw truth of affiliate marketing that you need to hear, it is hard. If you think you're just going to be able to get it, go to ClickBank, which is the main affiliate marketing marketplace most affiliates start off with. If you think you just go and get an offer and spam it all over social media, or yeah, you're going to be mistaken. Affiliate marketing is just like any other business. Yes, it is a simple business because you don't have to deal with customer service, you don't have to deal with customers, you don't deal with fulfillment, you just drive traffic to the offer and you get paid. So in a nutshell, it is one of the easiest businesses to run, but that doesn't make it easy, because the key thing with affiliate marketing is you need to be good at driving traffic. You don't have to be an expert. Like anything, this skill can be learned, but there's a learning process that you've got to go through in order to see success. And another thing I'm seeing at the moment that I mean is a little bit misleading is you're seeing a lot of these online affiliate marketing gurus who are sort of teaching how to do affiliate marketing with Facebook ads, native advertising, Google ads. And the thing is, and they're showing all of these screenshots showing their students making $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, $5,000 a day, which is great. And what they're telling you is true. A lot of these students are making a lot of money with these paid ad strategies, but what they're not telling you is if they're making, 2, 3, 4, 5 grand a day, that isn't money they're taking in their profit. They're spending money on ads, so they might only be taking home half that, or maybe even 20, 30% of that potentially. I don't know. So they're not, the numbers you see from these people who are sort of saying, run Facebook ads and native advertising and you can make 2, 3, 4, 5 grand a day. The numbers you're seeing, that isn't the take home in your pocket pay. That is like the gross revenue the campaign's making, because they're not factoring in ad spend, because it would put a lot of people off. And another thing, that isn't talked about these guys that preach running ads to affiliate marketing, is that you've got to have ad spend. If you think you can just go and spend 20, 30 quid and make $1,000 or whatever, then you're mistaken. Don't get me wrong, I'm not bashing running ads. I've spent millions of dollars online running Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, you name it. I've worked with ClickFunnels. So I know the paid ad game. But the thing about paid ads is that when you start running an offer, you've got to run ad spend. Doesn't necessarily mean you're going to have to spend thousands, but you might have to spend $100, $200, $300, $500, maybe even $1,000 to get a campaign started. And at the end of the day, if you're looking at affiliate marketing and you don't really have a budget, then that's, you can't really run paid ads unless you start getting credit cards or loans. And a lot of these people who started probably took a risk and got a credit card and started running, ads with a credit card, which is fine. There's nothing wrong in that. If it works, you're golden. But if it doesn't work, you could be down and max out your credit card. So that is basically the raw truth that a lot of these gurus are telling you. And, you know, so I just wanted to tell you that. Now, I don't want you to feel disheartened because there are many ways you can do affiliate marketing. You know, you've got, you know, organic TikTok, you know, Instagram, YouTube, but I'm going to reveal what I think, in my personal opinion, is the best way to start affiliate marketing in 2025 in terms of traffic generation. And that is YouTube, organic YouTube, not running ads. YouTube has changed recently. Before, in order to make money with YouTube, you needed like thousands of subscribers. And if you're a new channel, you couldn't really get much traffic. But basically, small little channels can basically get a lot of traffic if they do things right. But I've got a very specific strategy that I think a lot of affiliate marketers are overlooking, especially the newbies. So one of my key strategies I use with affiliate marketing is reviewing products. I review products on ClickBank. I do a lot of health offers, weight loss, prostate offers. But I'm also heavily in the financial publishing niche, which is very, very lucrative. But what I do is I review these products. But what I do is once I review them, I rank them for the product names of keywords. So effectively, I'm ranking, excuse me, I'm ranking these videos for the product names or the brand names of the companies that own these products. And what that means is that my videos are in front of the people who are searching for these products. So they see my review video, I tell them about it, give my honest review. If it sounds good, they'll buy. It is an extremely lucrative way to start making money. How long does this process take? Well, how long is a piece of string? It really does depend. In my opinion, it really does depend on how competitive is the search terms that you're going after. If you say, for example, you've got, I don't know, say you're promoting a prostate offer, you've done your review video, but no one else is bidding for the name of that prostate offer, but with your research, you're seeing it's getting half decent search traffic, maybe $2,000-3,000 a month, or sorry, 2,000-3,000 searches a month. And you're going to be able to rank that video very, very quickly within 24-48 hours. Start tapping into all of that search traffic, and potentially you can start making commissions really quickly. I mean, really, you know, within a couple of days to maybe a week, especially if you start doing a couple of videos. Now, obviously, if there's a little more competition, you're going to have to do more review videos for those search terms in order to rank. Obviously, if you're going after really competitive products, then it does get harder. But obviously, if it's really competitive, it's obviously very lucrative. So you're going to have to do many, many videos, and that is going to take longer. That could take 30, 45, 50, 60 days or more. But quite often, if the product you want to rank for with YouTube videos is that competitive, probably best off maybe finding another product. So the best way to start affiliate marketing in 2025, in my opinion, is by doing product review videos on YouTube, ranking them for the product name, and basically making relatively easy commissions. Now, the elephant in the room is you're probably thinking, oh God, you know, I don't particularly want to be on camera, and you know, I'm a bit nervous. You know, don't worry about it. At the end of the day, you don't have to do a video like this where, you know, I'm recording it on camera. You can do screenshot videos. Quite often with my videos, I'll do a screenshot. I'll do a screenshot video or screen capture. Well, maybe go into the product, especially with the financial publishing offers. I'll go into the members area and show them around and just give my personal views of it. And then with the health offers, sometimes I'll do camera videos like this, but you know, there's other ways to do it where you don't show your face. Maybe I'll do a PowerPoint presentation or something like that. So you don't have to show your face on video in order to do it. And you can get started really easy. All you really need is a microphone and a webcam, and you can get going. And obviously you can use your phone as well and open a YouTube account. So that is my video. I hope this has helped you So I've given you the raw truth. Affiliate marketing is hard. Don't believe everything you hear out there, especially from the gurus, about all of these people making thousands of dollars a day. They've either got a massive audience or they're spending thousands on ads in order to treat that or generate that income. Don't get me wrong, it is entirely possible, but I know a lot of people who watch these videos, they're in a tight spot, they haven't got a lot of money, and spending thousands on ads just isn't possible for them. But obviously I've given you a solution: organic YouTube, product review videos, best way to get started in 2025. In my opinion, it's pretty much a blue ocean. So if you want to start, that is what I advise you do. Anyway, if you've got any questions at all about affiliate marketing, why not leave a comment below. Happy to, help you out. Also, what I'm going to be doing is I'm also going to be doing half-an-hour discovery calls as well, where you can ask me anything about affiliate marketing. They're going to be paid for. Not sure of the price yet, but I'm going to leave a link to that down below. I haven't got the link there yet because I just need to get everything sorted out. But if you want to book a half-an-hour call with me, it'd be paid for, and just we talk like this. You ask me questions, I give you advice of how to get started or help you out. That appeals. Leave a comment below if you're interested in that, and I can get. In fact, we'll do that. If you're interested in jumping on a half-an-hour call with me, it'd be be paid for. Obviously, if you're interested in that, leave a comment below, and I'll with your email, and I'll drop you an email, and we'll get things going. Anyway, that is what I've got for you. If you got value, want to like, want to subscribe. Any questions, comment below, and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.